race car here today. It's a replica of a 65 Shelby Daytona. This is CSX 2300. It's pretty much a tribute to that, old number 12. It's a top quality build. It's a factory 5 car, and the guy that built it was a helicopter pilot, and this is something that he did as a hobby. And our shop manager has gone through this car top to bottom, and he says it's the best factory 5 build that we've ever had. I'm in love with it myself. It's got air conditioning in it, guys. I know that's a huge deal, but yeah, he managed to fit air conditioning underneath the hood. Also has power steering, and that's a rack and pinion as well, and a whole bunch of other goodies. Independent suspension, 4-wheel adjustable coilover shocks. It's got the stack fuel injection system on it. It's got the fast system controller, everything like that. 302 under the hood, making approximately 400 horsepower, 5-speed manual change with the short throw shifter and the Shelby knob. Oh, yep, let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to speed is absolutely no problem. Let's bounce it over here into 5th gear. See, we're cruising at 60 miles an hour, 2100 RPMs. Oh man, the handling on this car is just insane. Watch it. I mean, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but I'm like moving the steering wheel about like 1/8 of an inch to go ahead and switch lanes there. It's an amazing car, amazing build. Got plenty of headroom. The seat actually is on a track and it goes back and forth. I'm sure somebody just over 6 foot could easily fit in here as well. Charging USB ports and a 12-volt charger right here. All the modern amenities, and again, air conditioning that is working. Full array of autometer gauges right here. All of them are in working condition, and everything in the car is in working condition. Our shop manager did a thorough inspection on it. It was a rare case. This thing flew through the shop. There's absolutely nothing that needed to be done to it. It was meticulous maintained after it was built, and it's only got a few hundred miles on it since it was completed. Other nice things inside: completely outfitted dashboard, or excuse me, interior here. So it's got door panels. It's got a padded dashboard. It has lights on the inside and the back. You can put a push button light on either side. It's got turn signals, everything fully street legal, and it's totally sweet. Tubular chassis underneath, and again, a totally kind of race refined suspension. Quick fill gas tank, Lexian back window. I mean, I could do 2 more loops around the block and we still wouldn't cover everything that this car has on it. So please, I definitely encourage you, go to the website, check out all the details, pictures, and the full description on volocars.com.